At dusk, a female Anopheles mosquito lands on human skin to feed. It inserts its proboscis, injecting saliva with Plasmodium sporozoites into a blood vessel. After a mosquito bite, Plasmodium sporozoites enter the bloodstream. They travel rapidly through veins and arteries, moving exit the vessels and enter the liver tissue. They approach hepatocytes, completing migration to the liver. Step 3. Asexual reproduction in liver cells. This produces thousands of merozoites, which pack the cell. The liver cell becomes stressed and swollen. Step 4. Release of merozoites. The infected liver cells burst open, releasing thousands of merozoites. The merozoites flow into the blood vessels, spreading rapidly through the bloodstream to infect the entire body. In step 5, merozoites from burst liver cells enter the bloodstream. They attach to red blood cells using surface proteins. The merozoite invades, forming a protective vacuole inside the cell. In step 6, asexual multiplication occurs inside red blood cells. The parasites develop from ring to trophozoite stage. These burst out, ready to infect new cells. Step 7. Red blood cell rupture and hemozoin release. Infected red blood cells burst simultaneously, releasing merozoites and hemozoin pigment into the bloodstream. This triggers symptoms in the body: fever, chills, and sweating. The young boy suffers from chills, a common early symptom of malaria. Inside his body, infected red blood cells rupture, releasing high fevers and toxins into his sweating as the body fights the infection. Step 8. Repeated blood stage cycle. Inside invade red blood cell, causing the cell to swell and ruptured. New merozoites are released, repeating the cycle. Each rupture triggers a fever spike, shown on the timeline. Step 9. Gametocyte formation. Inside red blood cells, Plasmodium parasites differentiate into male and female gametocytes instead of multiplying. These gametocytes then circulate through the bloodstream. Step 10. Gametocytes enter the mosquito. An infected mosquito bites a human, ingesting gametocytes along with blood into its stomach. Inside the stomach, these gametocytes will develop further. Step 11. Sexual reproduction in mosquito. Male and female gametocytes mature into gametes. The gametes fuse to form a zygote. The zygote develops into a motile eukaryote. The eukaryote penetrates the gut wall. The eukaryote attaches to the mosquito's gut wall and forms an oocyst. The sporozoites migrate through the mosquito and invade the salivary glands. An oocyst on the mosquito's gut wall ruptures, releasing thousands of Plasmodium sporozoites. They enter and accumulate in the glands, ready for transmission during a blood meal. Step 13. Transmission to a new human host. A female Anopheles mosquito carrying sporozoites in its salivary glands flies to a new human host. Mosquito bites the host, injecting sporozoites and beginning the malaria life cycle anew.